So POV, you outworked your 9 to 5 job, bruh. So what's good, YouTube, y'all? Today's video gonna be a little bit different. I ain't gonna lie. I want this video to be like really motivational to you guys. And of course, like I always say, I'm never gonna be one of the type of content creators to tell you guys to quit your job or anything, or gonna tell you guys, oh, do this and put all your eggs in one basket. You know, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna never be one of the type of content creators for real. But I ain't gonna lie. I want this to be like more on the motivational side. Like if you put your mind to something, bro, like if you want to do something, or you want to prove a point, or you want to you really want to go into your passion, bro, like to show that you can achieve something, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this is motivation to me. So what's good, YouTube, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Reese in the Cut, back with y'all another video today. You know what I'm saying? Today, y'all, I'm gonna be showing y'all basically in my analytics, bro. Hey, I just hit a milestone in my career, my YouTube career. Y'all know, as y'all know, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I've been putting in work, bro. I've been showing up every single day. Like I've been posting consistently, and like I think it was around like last year. I was bringing in like little decent little money type stuff, you know, cool money, and the money is not even all that for real, but it's like it's a milestone that I had in my mind. Like I ain't gonna lie, like I wanna outwork my 9 to 5 job to show and to prove to myself that I don't need a 9 to 5, but I'm blessed to have a 9 to 5, and I'm just basically like I'm playing my cards right. You feel what I'm saying? Like that makes sense. Like I feel like right now, I feel like I'm still going to bare minimum on YouTube. You feel me? Like I feel like if I even go harder, that would be a lot more motivation. So let's hop straight into the video. So as y'all can see, we got the analytics pulled up, and basically I just want to first off, just to cap off the video, start out the video. So I want to show y'all like how much I bring in a week. Y'all know, for some of y'all who don't know, I work security. I work security. I'm a security officer at Allied Universal. Some of y'all been seeing the videos. Some of y'all be watching the videos when I be trying to put y'all on to like a little security game, or like what I do besides YouTube and stuff. Don't mind my dog. Hey, go sit down, bro. Don't mind my dog, bro. He be tripping, my nigga. He always wants camera time and shit. But yeah, anyways, y'all know I be like doing my little security videos and stuff like that. So this right here on the screen, that's how much I bring in for a 40-hour week paycheck from security, right? So y'all see, like, it's roughly $600 a week, and I make $18.50 an hour. Okay, where I'm from in Illinois, not too bad. It ain't bad. Of course, it could be better. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm already knowing there's people out there, y'all. Some of y'all making 20, 25 plus. Some of y'all got careers. Some of y'all maybe make less. You know what I'm saying? Like, at the end of the day, it's a job. But I knew in my right mind that, I ain't gonna lie, like I needed more. You know what I'm saying? I need to go harder. So last year, I wasn't bringing in that much bread on YouTube, and I really just got started in this niche, and I just started to gain some traction. So I said 2026 is gonna be my year, bro, that I outwork my 9 to 5 job. So a young nigga finally did that. I went hard in the paint, twin. I'm telling, hey, when I tell y'all, bro, nigga been going hard in the paint, bro. So I ain't gonna lie, I'm proud of myself, dog, regardless of what anybody got to say about me, what anybody think about me, bro. And I feel like I'm still going bare minimum. I feel like I'm still not going to my full potential. That's why I feel so motivated. So further ado, I've been talking hella for. I know y'all don't like when I talk, but I ain't gonna lie, I be having these moments, so y'all gotta bear with me. So I'm finna pull up how much I made in March type shit. As y'all can see, like this all, even all this is kind of like, this is like old stuff. So this not what really counts for real. But as y'all can see, in March, I made a total, as y'all can see down there, I made a total of $3,179.13 for the month of March. So I outworked my 9 to 5 job. If y'all do the math, I bring in roughly, after taxes, about $600. I get paid every single week. All right, so that's like $2,400 from my 9 to 5. Now, if we do the math, on this right here, I'm finna pull up my calculator. Bear with me, y'all. This video a little, it's a little all over the place, but y'all know I do raw content anyway. Like I don't really edit my videos. So if we do 3,000 divided by, if we do that, we come out with damn near almost $800, almost $800 a week. So if we jump into the month of March, we jump into that, bruh. We've been bringing in basically, I think our highest day in March was $143. That ain't bad, bro. Just from posting the bare minimum content. And that's what I'm saying. That's the crazy part. The most craziest part about this YouTube stuff, bro, is passive income. And I only post 10 to 15 minute videos every day. Like, bro, we literally bringing in, as y'all can see, bro, y'all can see 120, 143, like it's 138. Go down a little bit, went down 96, went down to 86, got back up, 115. Like through the whole March, every day damn near was $100 day for real, for real. We had a couple days, like we first started off, first couple of days, all three of them days right there was $100 days. So that's what I'm saying. Like we bringing in damn near 100 plus every single day. But if you do the math, if you want to just like even it all out, so basically what you would do, so what we'd do is, bro, we just do 3,179 divided by 4, cool, and then we divide that by 7 days in a week. Bam. That's basically, so basically our average was like damn near 110, 113. That's on average. So, hey, that's what I'm saying though. Like just from posting 10 to 15 minute videos every single day. And I feel like I'm still not even going as hard as I was. Like imagine, bro, like we got 24 hours in a day. This is the motivational part right here, bro. We got 24 hours in a day. Imagine if I'm doing this off of work. I'm getting off work and I'm bare minimum recording 5 to 10 minute videos a day. So imagine if I had the full 24 hours a day to get up and post 2 to 3 videos a day. The income, that shit would double. That's what I'm saying, bro. You blessed to have a job, bro, but you really don't need a job. I'm not doing anything special right now, but just like, I ain't gonna lie, a young nigga really just running this stuff up off of just being a real dude, a real genuine dude. A real genuine dude that's just spitting free game, coming on here, bro, just dropping gems, all those type of things, bro. And I was like, come on. The difference is, bro, and this is why I say you cannot trade time for money. You can't trade time for money, bro, because it took me, 40 hours? 40 hours. That's 8 days, and that's 8 days, 5 days, bro. Come on now. 40 hours to bring in $600, G. 8 hours. I'm at that. Like, I don't think I understand. Like, I hope y'all get what I'm saying. 8 hours for 5 days. But 10 to 15 minutes, like, come on, like, and I'm not even capping, bro. Let me go to my content. Come on, like, do y'all see a video over 20 minutes? 19 minutes. I just posted that. That's probably the longest video I done posted in a long time, bro. 14 minutes, 13 minutes. Like, come on. Come on. And let's dive into it too. Like, I always like to show y'all my RPM. Come on now. Like, look at that. In these videos, they're not even doing major views. That's what I'm saying. That's why this is so motivational to me, because I'm doing the bare minimum and I'm outworking my 9-to-5 job. How everybody always like trying to say, oh, what are you gonna do if this don't work out? My nigga, it seems like I'm taking more of a risk at my 9-to-5. But y'all see I'm smart though, because I use my 9-to-5 money to invest. I use my 9-to-5 money to get ahead. I use my 9-to-5 money for my bills. So, and mind you, all this money doesn't have to be touched. So when taxes get to come out, I still got it all. So that's the only reason why I haven't quit my 9-to-5, because don't get me wrong, I'm a smart YN. I'm not one of them dumb YNs that's gonna look at all this money and be like, all right, I'm gonna quit because I'm making more money on YouTube. No, I'm smart. Obviously y'all can see that. So, but I'm just saying though, this is motivational to me because this is something that I always wanted to do. And for me to outwork my 9 to 5 where I'm spending hella continuous hours, bro. That's what I'm trying to tell you. You cannot trade time for money, bro. Find you a high income skill. Y'all try to downplay content creation like it's not a high income skill. The only reason why y'all downplay content creation like it's not a high income skill is because it's a lot of people here who use this stuff for the wrong thing. But when you get deep into this stuff, bro, and when you look at this stuff as from the business aspect of YouTube, like dropping gems, bro, talking about self-improvement content, showing people how to save money, showing people how to make money, the things that actually matter, that is when you start to, that's when we could talk about a career. That's when we could talk about YouTube being full time, bro. And that's what I'm saying. These videos are doing bare minimum views to me. Like 3,000 views, $43. And that's the thing. Let me show y'all something. There's two types of income in this world. We got passive income and we got passive income and we got active income. The difference between passive income is that the numbers is still running up in your sleep. Let me show you guys something. I want to show you guys something that's real powerful, bro. That's why, like, I feel like investing your time in the content creation is probably one of the best things that you could ever do in your life. So as you guys can see right here, this video is very established. Right? As you guys can see, 100,000 views. Now the revenue is a little slacking on this one. You know what I'm saying? But it's not finished yet though. So the video got, as you guys can see, the video. Let me go back. The video has. Hello, y'all. I missed it. The video has got down 109,000 views, right? But look how much. But the money's still rolling in. Only 93,000 views have been counted. Look how much more money that video has to make. You feel what I'm saying? Look at how much more money. That's what I'm saying. There's levels to this trading time for money shit, bro. So if you're not out there, you're not trying to invest into a high income skill that could pay you overnight, bro, you missing out, twin. Because that's the thing. Because literally, that's what I'm saying. Y'all might be looking at that 3,100 like it's only 3,100, but I see 13,000 in my eyes. Because the thing is, that's just the cap breaker of when the money got to be distributed. You feel what I'm saying? Because you only get so much time to run up the numbers. But as y'all can see, the number's not done. As long as the number's not done, then the money not done. So you got a guaranteed paycheck for real. You still got guaranteed money. It just hasn't settled in yet. That's what I'm saying. So that's why I tell y'all, bro, you can't trade time for money. It's not the way to go in 2026. It'll drive you crazy. And that's what I'm saying. Bro, y'all can do this. I'm like the views that I'm doing, as you guys can see, I'm only averaging about what, 2,000 to 3,000 views per video. I'm just going around clicking on random videos for you guys. Come on now, 2,000 views, $23, bro. Like I'm clicking on these videos. Like this is literally just passive income. Literally. I don't even think this is done. Look, come on now. That's only at 2.3. Like the money is still, it don't stop. That's the good thing about YouTube. It don't stop. Like most of all these videos, like it still got money that's still rolling in. The goal is, bro, to stay consistent and to keep getting out the product, keep getting it out so it can keep running up in your sleep, bro. That's the whole point of YouTube. So if you guys got a YouTube channel and you're not being consistent, bro, you're missing out on so much bread. You feel me? So I just wanted to show you guys that, and also just show you guys some of the analytics that you know, of how we've been rocking, my dog, of how we've been rocking, man. You feel me? I appreciate everybody who be tuning into these videos, bro. Like it's gonna be a time and day where this is full time. Like I tell you, as y'all can see, I take this shit serious, but I'm still going 50% though. I take it serious, but I'm still going 50% at the same time. But once I go full time though, y'all know me, ain't no letting up. Ain't no such thing as, oh, well, what if it doesn't work out? What are you gonna do? Come on, look me in my eyes, bro. Look me in my eyes. Do I look like I'm willing to lose? Do it look like that I'm willing to lose, bro? Come on, dog. Y'all don't know. Y'all don't want it for real. You see y'all see the subscribers running up as we go. Y'all see the subs running up as we go. You feel what I'm saying? I can't make this up. Like, imagine if I had 100K and I'm doing it. And what's crazy is a lot of content creators, they're not even gonna show you this type of stuff. They're not even gonna show you this type of content, bro. That's how y'all know I'm a real, genuine dude, and I want all y'all to win, bro. Like, literally, I ain't doing nothing special. I'm sitting here for 10 to 15 minutes a day, putting y'all on free game, and I'm just, and this is after work, too. This is after work. So y'all can look at the 3,000, like, you know what I'm saying? I still make money from a job. So, you know, right now, my next biggest accomplishment, bro, I want to have my first 10K month. I know that's on the way real soon, but right now, just stacking my coins, bro. I'm just stacking these small wins. I appreciate it. I appreciate everybody, bro, because I ain't gonna lie. When I was a kid, bro, I ain't never think shit like this was possible. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. And if this motivated you, bro, comment down below motivation. And y'all know I love this. Y'all know me back with more content. Hey, ski.